One quick question. Out of these two sentences, which sentence is from the advanced English? Number one, there is an increase in price. Number two, there is a sudden increase in price, a dramatic increase in price, slight increase in the prices. Of course, the second sentence, because in second sentence, we have used adjectives. Adjectives and adverbs are those which take your English at advanced level. Even English scholars are claiming that if you want to improve your English, if you want to take your English from intermediate to advanced level, start using adjectives and adverbs. In this video, I'm gonna talk about two things. Number one, all those adjectives and adverbs that you can use in your writing task one. Number two, which is also the requirement of IELTS test, and that is you have to use a wide range of vocabulary. Now, what is the wide range of vocabulary? What are the synonyms of those essential words that you can use in your writing task one? So this video is going to cover every single thing from vocabulary perspective for writing task one. Let's take a start. There are four things which are definitely there in the writing task one. In the writing task one, you know that we have to explain a diagram, a picture, a pie chart, or it could be flow chart. Now, these things would be there. And when it comes to explaining diagrams, pictures, flow charts, or even pie charts or bar charts, multiple bar charts, essential part is that you should know how to talk about four things: the increase in the value, decrease in the value, when something remains stable at the same level, when you're talking about the differences, the fluctuation. I'm going to give you the vocabulary for all these things. Number one, when there is an upward trend, what are the vocabulary words that you can use over there? Let me tell you. Number one, you can use the word rise. An increase in price, an increase in value, a rise in the value. You can also use it goes up. It goes up. Goes up also shows that it is increasing. It's showing the upward trend. The price climbed to, or climbed to the specific number, or it boomed at. Boomed at also shows the increase, boom, increase. Now, what are the words that you can use when you have to talk about the downfall trend? For the downfall trend, the vocabulary words could be, of course, a downfall, fall, fall. If something, the prices fall from, the price fall from 98 to 80 might be. It could be decline. There is a decline in the prices, in the value. Decreased could be used, dipped could be used, dropped to, went down, just like go up, go down, went up, went down, slumped. Slumped is also representing when a value is decreasing. Now, if there is no difference in the value, you can say it's leveled out. As you know that in the writing task one, you have to talk about the major differences. And how about those values where there is no change? What vocabulary word you can use? Either you can just simply say that there is no change, the values did not change at all, or it remained stable, or remained steady, or stayed constant, or these values maintained the same level. You can use these words over there. And if you want to talk about the fluctuation of the value, the fluctuation could be used by using the fluctuated, or it could be it peaked at. It peaked at when you're talking about the highest value, or same as it, you can also use plateaued at, or you can also say stood at. So these are the things when you are focusing on a particular point, so you can use these words there. And take your notebook, write down the word to show the upward trend, downward trend, to show that something is stable at, and there is a fluctuation. What could be the synonyms for that? Build your own vocabulary. There are a few words that I have suggested you. You just simply note down these words into your notebook. When you are doing the writing task one, just simply keep that newly created list in front of you, or self-created list in front of you. Start using these vocabulary words over there. Now, just as I was telling you in the beginning, that if you are using some sort of adjectives or adverbs, now what is adjective and what is adverb? Adjectives are something which are defining your noun or pronoun. An adverb is something which is adding the meaning to the verb. That is why we call it adverb. That adds the meaning to the verb. And adjective is something that is adding on the meaning to the noun or the pronoun. Now, with the increase or decrease or the words that we were just discussing, now you can use some sort of adjectives and adverbs. And I'm going to give you the difference between adjective and adverb as well. Now, let's talk about the difference when we are talking about some sort of change, just as I said, increase or decrease. So the word you can use, either you can use as an adjective, you can use there is a dramatic increase. So prices increased dramatically. Dramatically would be an adverb and dramatic is adjective. Same as sharp. There is a sharp increase. The prices increased sharply. Sharply is adverb and sharp is adjective. Words with ly are usually adjective, just like huge is adjective, enormous is adjective, substantial is adjective. Substantially would be adverb. Same as, moving on. Considerable. There is a considerable increase in price. There is a considerable fall in the prices. Considerably, adverb. Considerable, adjective. Significant. There is a significant change in the price. Significant is an adjective, and adverb would be significantly. Marked. The prices are marked at. There's a moderate change in price. Moderately, the prices changed moderately. Moderately would be adverb. Moderate is adjective. Slight increase. Slight increase, adjective. Prices increased slightly. Slightly is your adverb. And minimal, a small change. A minimal change is minimal, adjective. Minimally, adverb. Same as when you have to talk about some sort of the speed of change, then there are a few words that you can use. Once again, you can use adjectives, you can use the same words by converting them into adverb, just as rapid increase. There is a rapid increase in the prices. This is about the speed of the change. The prices increased rapidly. Rapidly would be adverb. Rapid is adjective, same as a quick increase. Prices increased quickly. Swift, swiftly. Sudden, suddenly. Steady, steadily. Gradual, gradually. Slow, slowly. These are the adjective words and even adverbs that you can use in your writing. Well, if you just simply make a list of all these adjectives, adverbs, and just keep that list in front of you, what I would suggest you do not try to memorize these vocabulary words. What I would suggest you is try to learn these words by practice, by implementation of these words into your actual writing, into your actual speaking. You can just simply get habitual to use these vocabulary words. For that, the only simple task is keep that list in front of you when you are writing. Take the help of these words. In the beginning, you will be dependent on the paper. Later on, you will feel it like, I know these vocabulary words and I don't need this list anymore. Keep it away. That's how you can use these words naturally. And for these trends and for these adjectives and adverbs, if you do the practice, I assure you, you are gonna write band 9 task 1 explanation there in your test. Well, this is Farhan Jamil. Thank you so very much for watching this video. I hope you have found this video helpful for you and you have learned something new today. I hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay blessed. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.